Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bathroom wall tiles that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Chegier 10 pieces marble peel and stick backsplash. These tiles offer a sophisticated marble-inspired design that instantly elevates the look of your bathroom or kitchen without the hefty cost of real marble. The tiles are lightweight and made from PVC, making them easy to cut and install. The self-adhesive backing lets you peel and stick the tiles without the need for grout or special tools, making this a perfect option for quick DIY updates. While the design is quite attractive and versatile, these tiles are not suitable for high humidity areas like shower rooms, which limits their usability. However, they are waterproof and heat resistant, so they work well for moderate bathroom walls or kitchen backsplashes. A major plus is the minimal maintenance required. Just wipe them clean with a damp cloth to maintain their pristine appearance. On the downside, the material feels a bit less durable compared to others on this list, and it lacks the high-end texture of real tiles. Overall, this is a good choice for budget-conscious consumers looking for lightweight, easy-to-install tiles with a modern aesthetic. Just be mindful of its limitations in extreme moisture environments. At number 4, we have the Smart Tiles Peel and Stick Backsplash in the Sephro Green design. Designed and manufactured in Canada, Smart Tiles has a strong reputation for premium quality, and these tiles live up to the hype. The 3D design gives them an authentic tile look, and their patented Gel-O technology ensures long-lasting durability, avoiding yellowing or peeling over time. Installation is a breeze. Just peel, stick, and admire. No special tools or DIY expertise are required. These tiles are VOC A+ certified, which means they contribute to healthier indoor air quality. Definitely a plus for eco-conscious consumers. They are water and heat resistant, making them ideal for bathrooms and kitchens. However, it's worth noting that they are not recommended for direct exposure to water, such as inside a shower. On the downside, each pack only covers 0.33 square meters, so the coverage is relatively small, which could make this a pricier option for larger projects. If you're looking for a stylish and sustainable solution that's easy to install and maintain, Smart Tiles is a strong contender. Its premium look and eco-friendly credentials make it stand out, but the higher cost and limited coverage might be a drawback for some. Coming in at number 3 is the Art 3D 102-piece Peel and Stick Wall Tile in Glossy White. With its classic subway tile design, this option is perfect for those who love timeless simplicity. The 3-inch by 6-inch tiles come in a polished finish, offering a clean and modern look that fits a variety of styles. One of the standout features is its DIY-friendly installation. Just peel, stick, and cut to size. Plus, the tiles are waterproof, stain-resistant, and anti-scratch, ensuring they maintain their appearance over time. These tiles are incredibly versatile and can be used on a variety of surfaces, from painted drywall to ceramic tiles. However, avoid textured or uneven surfaces, as the adhesive may not hold well. The package includes 102 pieces, which cover 12.75 square feet, making it ideal for medium to large projects. The build quality is solid, and the PVC material feels durable, though it doesn't quite replicate the heft of traditional ceramic tiles. Overall, the Art 3D tiles strike a great balance between affordability, ease of installation, and durability. It's an excellent choice for homeowners looking for a budget-friendly yet stylish solution for their bathroom or kitchen walls. At number 2, we have the Stick Goo Thicker Design Peel and Stick Tile Backsplash. These tiles stand out for their impressive thickness, 2 mm to 2.5 mm, making them significantly more durable than typical peel and stick options. The 12-inch by 12-inch square tiles come in a neutral beige and white color scheme, making them a versatile choice for a variety of design styles. Installation is quick and straightforward, thanks to the interlocking edges and upgraded adhesive that works even on lightly textured walls. What sets Stick Goo apart is its exceptional coverage. Each pack includes 10 sheets, covering 40% more area compared to smaller tiles. These tiles are also heat and water resistant, making them a great choice for spaces like kitchen backsplashes, bathrooms, and even fireplaces. While the tiles are durable and easy to clean, they are on the heavier side, which might make installation slightly more challenging for some users. If you're looking for a peel and stick tile that combines durability, aesthetics, and value, Stick Goo is hard to beat. It's ideal for anyone looking for a reliable option that can handle high-traffic areas while still being easy to install and maintain. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Oliget 20 Sheets Faux Stone Peel and Stick Backsplash. These tiles offer an incredibly realistic faux stone design in a white marble finish, paired with subtle metallic accents for a high-end look. Each pack contains 20 sheets, covering 9.6 square feet, which is excellent value for the price. The PVC composite material is not only durable, but also anti-scratch, color fade resistant, and easy to cut to size. These tiles are waterproof and heat resistant, making them suitable for a wide range of applications, from kitchen backsplashes to steamy bathroom walls. The strong foam backing tape ensures a firm hold without additional glue, making installation a breeze. What's more, these tiles are easy to clean with just a damp cloth, making them practical for busy households. The Oliget tiles are the perfect blend of style, durability, and ease of use. Their premium look and versatile applications make them an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their space with minimal effort. If you want the best of the best, Oliget delivers on all fronts. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.